Hi guys, so I've decided that I'm going to be vlogging my weight loss journey. If you guys saw my get ready with me, chit chat, keto, you guys would know that I am on the keto diet and I've been on it for, it's gonna be 4 months because I started it in April. This has been on and off. For the first 2 months, I was doing it Monday through Friday, sometimes Monday through Thursday, and then cheat on the weekend. So I wasn't really doing it consistently, but for the past 2 weeks, I've been going super strong and not cheating on weekends. So I've decided that I should vlog my experience like every week. So I'll upload like a weekly vlog. It would be maybe every Sunday or every Monday. I'm not sure what day. I would upload the week's process. It's Aria. You want to be a vlogger? Yay! Who's that? This is her corner, by the way, her crib and all of that stuff. But I've decided that I would upload the weekly vlog of my entire week, like what I've been eating, if I work out, basically my weight loss journey. I'll weigh in for you guys and all of that stuff. So it should always, I always wake myself Friday mornings. So technically the vlog should start, I guess, Saturday, or it should start off Friday. I'm not sure, but today is actually Wednesday, and I'm gonna start off this week's vlog on Wednesday because I got the idea. I didn't get the idea. I actually saw Crispy here on YouTube do it, and I never really subscribed to her, but her video came up on my like suggested, and I saw that she was doing like a weight loss journey. I didn't know if it was keto or not. I just saw it was a weight loss journey, so I was like, oh, let me see how it's going for her. And it just so happens that she's also doing keto. I know keto is like a huge fad right now and everybody's doing it, but it works. It really does work. If you guys are new to my channel and don't really know like my status or my weight loss, I lost 16 pounds in about 3 months, 2 or 3 months on keto. Obviously not doing it super consistently, but for the last 2 weeks, I've been super consistent. So I'm actually down 17 pounds as of last Friday. But yeah, so I really want to document my journey, and I saw Crispy do it, and I thought it was such a good idea to bring you guys along with me and actually hold myself accountable. Aria's talking in the background. So the first time I kind of posted my before and after on Instagram, like a small before and after, nothing crazy, it kind of motivated me to like keep myself accountable. So I didn't want to cheat or gain weight back because I've already posted this on Instagram for the world to see, and everybody was congratulating me and all this stuff. So I don't want to let like myself down, and I don't want to let the other people down that took the time to like congratulate me and all that stuff. So yeah, I figured that these weekly vlogs would be super good and would keep me motivated. So we're starting today off on Wednesday, and it's around 11 o'clock in the morning. I didn't really mention on my get ready with me because I completely forgot. I don't even know why. I've also been doing intermittent fasting along with my keto. So basically I only eat, like I eat all of my food between 11 a.m. and 7 o'clock at night. So I don't eat past 7 and I don't eat before 11. So I've also been doing that, and that's also been helping me out a lot. So it is 11 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to make myself breakfast. I already put some eggs to boil. So I'll let you guys know more or less, like I'll show you guys what I'm eating in a day and all that stuff. Tonight I am doing a boot camp workout class that my friends do in the park. It's a really good class. So this is my second week doing it. I did it last week and it killed me. Like I do not work out. I am not fit at all. So like that like intense boot camp class killed me, but it felt so good that I was able to like accomplish it. Yeah, I went at my own pace, but I still did it, you know? That class is today, so I'm going to take you guys along with me there. And yeah, just so you guys know, since today is Wednesday, I want to let you guys know that my weigh-in for last Friday was 175. When I hit that 175, I was so happy because I had been 177 for like 2.5 weeks straight. I would not move, and I was like doing pretty good, you know? I did cheat because I did go on vacation and stuff like that, and I did like cheat very small, but nothing like crazy. My body just got used to it. I guess it was used to the pattern of like keto 5 days a week, cheating 2 days a week. So my body just got used to it, and I wasn't like burning any fat. So that's when I decided to go the full 2 weeks of just straight on keto, try not to cheat. And it worked because I lost the 2 pounds that were like, I wanted to get to 175 and it just wasn't getting there. But I finally did. So last Friday I was 175. So this Friday we're going to weigh ourselves. And my goal, not for this Friday, but my small, like short-term goal is to be 172. I haven't been 172 since 2012. That's crazy. And when I was 172, I was taking these like horrible diet pills that are like really, really bad for you. And I think like ruins my liver. But anyways, so I really do want to get to 172. That's one of my short-term goals. Anyways, I'm going to take you guys along with me this week and let's go see what's going on with breakfast. Hi guys, so I'm just chilling on my porch right now. I already ate breakfast. It's the afternoon already. It's around 1 o'clock. I'm doing a crock pot meal for dinner, so I already prepared everything. I'm making carnitas. We're gonna have carnita lettuce wraps for dinner. If you guys don't know what carnitas is, it's basically like shredded pork kind of situation. Anyways, so yeah, that's what we're gonna have for dinner. And I had to set it up already because it's a crock pot meal. It takes about 6 hours and I do want to eat before I go work out today, so that's why I already put it in. I was supposed to film the whole setting up process. However, I needed my phone for the recipe and Aria was having an attack in the kitchen, so it would have not been good footage. Anyways, once I go inside, I'll show you like what it looks like cooking. It's basically you just get the carnitas, you stick it in the pot, you put in your seasonings, you put in some bay leaf, a little bit of water, you slice up lemons super thin, stick it in. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't chop up onions. I'll probably go in there and chop up some onions now and throw them in there. And you're supposed to chop up some onions. And then, yeah, it basically cooks. Usually throughout the day, I will go and take Aria out for a walk, and then I'll do kind of like an at-home workout here in my driveway. But since I do have the boot camp class at 7, I'm not gonna go for a walk and I'm not gonna work out, so I let Aria play in the front yard. That's basically what I'm gonna do, and that's basically my day. I'm talking a lot. Hopefully this video is not super long because this is supposed to be a weekly vlog and it's only day 1. I just finished my workout. The workout was great. I didn't get to eat dinner prior, so I'm gonna eat the carnitas that I made now when I get home, but it was an awesome workout. I wasn't as winded as I was last week, so each week is getting a lot better for me. The sun's crazy today, guys. Well, it's Thursday. It's about 11:45 in the morning. I'm having some coffee. I wasn't able to eat before going to my workout yesterday, so I ate a little bit after, and it was already like 8:30, so it was past like my fasting time. So today I'm gonna be eating a little bit later. So I'm just drinking some coffee now. This is the first time I do the coffee with just a teaspoon of that coconut sugar. And it's significantly less sweeter than regular brown sugar or any kind of sugar. So this literally tastes like it has no sugar at all whatsoever. But I'm trying to get used to it because I'm really trying to cut back on the sugar in my coffee. So hopefully this works. I mean, it's not too bad, it's drinkable, but it has just like no sugar. But either way, I'm gonna have my coffee and then I'm gonna go on a walk and do a little workout. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Tomorrow is weigh-in, so this vlog is gonna be a little bit short because I really do want to start vlogging up until weigh-in day. So weigh-in day would be like the last thing you guys see in the vlog, and you'll see how much I lost and whatever. But since I started this on a Wednesday, it is going to be a little bit short. So usually my vlogs will kick off Friday after weigh-in. That's when they'll start, and then they'll end the next Friday weighing in. But I'll be sure to get in some good stuff for you guys. And yeah, hopefully you guys are inspired, I guess, or inspired to start your own weight loss journey and ride it along with me. Good morning, guys. As you guys saw, I lost 2.6 pounds, which is great. I wanted to lose 3 pounds. I wanted to get down to 172, but I got down to 173.8, but it's good. I knew that it was gonna be hard to lose 3 full pounds in 7 days. When you're doing it a healthy way, it takes longer, and especially that I've been on keto for so long. It's going on 3 months, almost 4 months that I've been on keto. So, you know, your body gets used to it and things like that. So it does take a little longer, which is fine. Slow and steady wins the race. But yeah, I'm gonna close out this weekly vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoy this little weight loss journey vlog, and you guys continue to watch every week and hold me accountable, and yeah, stay with me while I'm losing or shedding these pounds. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.